So my crush has lately been kind of pissed off at me because I don't smile. So I went to YouTube to learn how to smile and I found an explanation to my problem.
Huh?
Hey,
Hi.
I can smile now.
Cool. Show me your smile then.
A few moments later.
Bye.
Congrats! You have won the sperm race and now you are a part of this world. And your parents look at you and already see the dreams of you doing something big. And then we learn about things to survive here because Darwin Daddy hates the idea of friendships and teamwork. Don't worry, internet's got you covered. You can learn anything, and I mean anything.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
हाय मेरा नाम है पानी और आज पानी पीना सिखाऊंगी। स्टेप 1 ग्लास ले आओ। स्टेप 2 इसमें पानी भरो। स्टेप 3 भगवान का नाम लेके पी जाओ। वाह मैं तो पानी पानी हो गई।
और मैं भी।
Just eat the burger.
We got the world map here and the red marker which states the location of Poland. How do we invade it? Well, it can be achieved in 3 easy steps. Firstly, send Chinese wisdom dogs on a Boeing airplane from China over the headquarters of the Polish government. Then we proceed with dancing bears from Iceland through underwater tunnel into the lakes to conquer the water areas. And finally attack with 3,569,127 penguins sent from Antarctica. And voila! Poland has been captured. This man is just inches close towards the danger zone. One wrong move and it's game over. Right, we have officially entered the fight. Here's the stats for man and the goose. Forgot to mention that his accuracy level is 1. Bro could have done sports instead of maxing his outfit.
Bruh.
What the fish?
So we've already